This zone is ready now to add a smart button. Make sure Smart Home Devices is running on same Wi-Fi network as HOS application on your device. Please turn on Edit switch on top menu. To set a smart button position, click any point you like on the screen. You may use blue arrows around the selected button for fine-tuning position. If you want to hide the balloon text at any time, you can click it. Bind your smart device to your smart button by clicking the proper system button you'll use on the lower menu. You may select between Digital Strom, BACnet, HomeKit, IP, or KNX. Select your HomeKit device from the accessories list. You may test your switches, click for on and off, or click and hold to decrease and increase sliders. When satisfied, click correct button on the menu below to confirm your selection. You can change your smart button shape with a new animated 3D stickers. Click the heart button below to start decorating your button. Several stickers are available to choose from. Animated 3D stickers are marked with a golden film strap watermark on top left corner. Animations and sound effects are included with the Live plugin. Make sure it is installed. Select a sticker, and click correct button below to confirm your selection. Your first smart button is ready. Let's get out of editing mode. Switch off edit mode button on top menu. Four-way smart button works with touch or hold. Actions are on and off or plus and minus. Values you edit appear on top of the smart button in red. Live values in blue reflects the actual state of the smart home device within a maximum 5 seconds latency. This works only with BACnet, HomeKit and KNX. Try it yourself. Click on this balloon text to end this tutorial. To restart or end this tutorial at any time, click on the hat button on the settings menu. Thanks, Nini.